Hey Patsy, it's Leslie, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to take a domain name out of redirect status and set it up and begin using it on the web as its own page that's hosted. I'm going to use my account, the sweetspeakblog.com, which is my main hosted account, just like your main hosted account is patsyraydawson.com. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down in the control panel to the redirected domains. Now mine are not redirected, mine are all standalone, so I'll just show you how this works. You would go in here, and down here you would show the domain names that are redirected. You would select the domain and remove it from the redirection. That's as easy as it gets. If we were to go back, we can look at mine, what yours would look like. It would be add-on domains, just like these are, and these are my add-on domains to this main account of SweetSpeak blog, and you can see that I have 6 of them at this time. Now, with those in place, what I can do is set up my account, and I want to show you what it looks like on the control panel side for these. Each of those different domain names have been set up to have their own WordPress installation as well as their own thesis theme, and then I build them from there just like Patsy Ray Dawson has been built. So for instance, I use the legacy file manager, so I'm going to click here. You can see that I'm going to the web root for sweetspeakblog.com, my main most hosted account. Sorry, I'm getting a cold. And when we get here, you can see that my domain names are set up as accounts in here. I'm just going to let's use Christian Internet Classroom. If I click on the files, I can see all of the sub-files in that directory. When I come in, I see my WordPress files. If I go through WordPress content, I'll see my theme files, and you can see that I'm operating on Thesis 18. It all works precisely like it does in Patsy Ray Dawson. I just have them set up as subdomains underneath the main domain name. So, to give you another view, we'll go over here, we'll look at my main SweetSpeak blog. Now, I personally use this main blog site that's hosted as my test site. So if I'm doing some work for another customer, this is where I'm setting it up. And if I'm trying out something to see how it'll work, I've used this test account to do it. If I want to look at Panhandle Tornadoes, ham site, I just go to panhandletornadoes.com, and here it is. If I want to make any changes, I do just what you do on the other accounts and enter WP-admin, which brings me to the sign in, and I will enter it just like you do. I'm going to tell it to remember that so I don't have to look it up next time. And you'll see the same dashboard that you see for Patsy Ray Dawson. Now if you get ready to do this, I'll be glad to go in there and stick in the installation for your WordPress and also for the thesis theme and just set the major settings for you. They're very easy to do, but it's easier if you have some experience doing it. But basically that's it. You can just look through all of my different websites. They all look individually or are individually set up. You can see that I can use a different favicon for them. It's just easy stuff. And I'll be glad to help you when you get ready to do it.